Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to change out the mass airflow sensor on a Ford Motor Company product, the later model one. I have three Fords, an 05, an 08, and 07. The 05 is a Ford 500, the 08 is a Mercury Mariner, then I have two 07s, a Ford Escape and a Lincoln Navigator. And all the mass airflow sensors are located between the air filter box and the throttle body somewhere along the line here. And you can see it right here on this one. It's right here. They're always usually pretty easy to see right up front. On this one, the clip is on the bottom side, and there's a little red tab. You reach underneath and slide the tab backwards, and then you squeeze it and pull it off. And we'll flip it over so you can see that tab now. There's the secondary locking tab I'm talking about, and a lot of the Ford electrical connectors have secondary tabs like that now that you have to unlock first before you do the squeeze and pull thing. And once we have the wire off, we set it aside and we look at it. You can see two Torx bit screws that hold it in, and they're size T20. And I'm going to use a ratcheting handle wrench and a short fitting on it because the Torx driver screwdriver would have a hard time fitting down there in that hole unless I disassembled some other stuff. So that's how we're going to take that out. The new mass airflow sensor can be purchased online for under $20, or a genuine Motorcraft part you can see can go well over $200. And it's certainly up to you which one you think you want to put on your car. Whichever way you decide to go, make sure you've thoroughly tested the current mass airflow sensor and that you're sure that's the problem before you start just throwing parts at it. It's never a good idea just to start putting on expensive electrical parts to try and fix a problem. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.